Hello, beautiful brides to be and dashing grooms. Welcome back. Today we are going to have the essentials, something that is so practical as you gear up for your big day. That's right, we're going to be diving into the ultimate wedding day packing list. It's that list that ensures you have everything you need to rock your wedding day with confidence and style. I don't want you to be scrambling morning of, making sure you have everything that you need. We're going to include some of the emergency essentials and some of those little details that will make your wedding day seamless and take it over the top. We're also going to include some of the frequently forgotten items. So grab a notepad or your phone. Make sure to jot some of these down, or just grab the link in the description below for your PDF download, and you can stay totally organized. Let's go. Fail that I make is the beginning of this family's legacy. Self-care items, make sure to pack baby powder, which comes in handy just in case you have chafing or some sort of itching with your gown. All of your attire and accessories, including your bridal dress on a hanger and your getting ready outfit, normally something like a robe or cute PJs. All of your ceremony and reception decor. I would try to do some of this in advance. For example, you can give the cake knife and cake topper to your baker if that's something that they're open to. We want some of those cute detail shots that the photographers get, so bring the items to photograph, like your wedding invitation suites, your vow book, handwritten notes to each other. An emergency kit. I like to include things like your steamer, a lint brush, safety pins come in super handy, so make sure you bring that and maybe an extra needle. On a side note, aren't these desserts in the background making you really hungry? Paperwork and all of the organizational documents. A vendor list with their contact info and their cell phone number comes in really handy. Technology and special speakers. Maybe you have personal cameras or you have disposable cameras for people to take photos of the reception. Payment methods and gifts. This is only if you haven't already given it to people. Gifts for bridesmaids. Cash also comes in handy. I am personally actually not the best with making sure I have everything packed, so I hope that this comes in handy. Make sure to get your downloadable packing list in the description below so that you have everything and you can just enjoy your wedding day.